What are the symptoms of driving with a bad catalytic converter?
Hello, auto enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. In this video, we're going to delve into a topic that may be unfamiliar but is of significant importance for both your vehicle's health and your own safety: the catalytic converter. More specifically, we'll be discussing the symptoms of driving with a bad catalytic converter. Recognizing these early signs can save you from costly repairs and help ensure a smooth, safe ride.
What is a catalytic converter?
Before we identify the symptoms of a failing catalytic converter, it's crucial to understand what it is and what it does. The catalytic converter is a key component of your vehicle's exhaust system. Its main job is to convert harmful gases from your car's engine into less harmful substances before they are released into the atmosphere.
Why is a healthy catalytic converter important?
A healthy catalytic converter is vital for several reasons. It reduces the emission of harmful gases, improving air quality and your vehicle's overall environmental impact. Moreover, a faulty converter can lead to performance issues with your car, like reduced power and fuel efficiency. Therefore, it's crucial to recognize when this part may be going bad.
Recognizing the symptoms of a bad catalytic converter.
So how do you know if your catalytic converter is failing? Here are some key symptoms to watch for. 1. Decreased gas mileage. If your car is getting fewer miles per gallon, a failing catalytic converter could be the culprit. It can cause your engine to run inefficiently, leading to increased fuel consumption. 2. Reduced performance and acceleration. A bad catalytic converter can cause your car to feel sluggish, especially during acceleration. It can restrict exhaust flow, putting extra load on the engine. 3. Foul smell. A malfunctioning catalytic converter can result in a buildup of gases that produce a rotten egg or sulfur-like smell. If you notice this odor, it could be a sign that your converter is going bad. 4. Check engine light comes on. This is often one of the first signs of a failing catalytic converter. Your car's computer may detect a problem with the exhaust system and trigger the check engine light. 5. Failed emissions test. As the catalytic converter's main role is to reduce harmful emissions, a faulty one can lead to failed emissions tests. That's a wrap on the key symptoms of a bad catalytic converter. Recognizing these signs early and taking swift action can save you from potential trouble down the road, ensuring that your vehicle runs efficiently and safely. Remember, a healthy vehicle is not just about a smooth ride. It's also about ensuring we do our part in preserving the environment. Drive safe.